Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss subtract the product and sum of digits of an integer. The problem is taken from LeetCode code problem number 1281. So the question says, given an integer number n, return the difference between the product of its digits and the sum of its digits. Okay. Suppose n is equal to 234, then output should be 15. Why? Because 2 plus 3 plus 4 is nothing but 9, and 2 into 3 into 4 is nothing but 24. So 24 minus 9 will result into 15. Okay. Suppose consider the number as 4421, then output should be 21. Why? Clearly explanation written. Product of the digits 4 into 4 into 2 into 1, that is 32. Sum of the digits 4 into 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11. So 32 minus 11 is 21. Okay. Constant is given as 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 10 to the power 5. Anyway, so to solve this particular problem, you require one prerequisite concept, that is how to extract digits from a number. Okay, and this concept I have already discussed while discussing sum of digits of an integer. This particular part as separate problem I have already discussed in my previous video. If you want to check that video, please go through the link given in the description. Okay, so I am going to my channel, and here see sum of digits of number in Python Castor class is clearly written. So let me just see sum of digits of a number Python Castor class is same problem. Okay, so here in the comment section I have given the code also, so I am not discussing the code again. Okay, sorry. What I will do, I will just copy from here the code. Okay, so a equal to int input. Okay, let me copy this part and I am just pasting here. Okay, just I am doing this to so that I no need to discuss same thing again. Okay, so you can check my previous video, I have discussed there in detail how you can extract digits and get the sum of the digits. So here in the output variable in our previous video, what we have done in our previous video, in output variable we have stored the sum. Okay, some modifications needed, like here we are previously we were taking input from the user. Now here not needed because this is function problem, so we'll directly writing string of n. And yup, now along with calculating the sum we should calculate the product also, right? So I am just writing product equal to 1, and here I will write one more line, product equal to product into of ij. Okay, so it will this particular one for loop itself will compute sum and product both. Okay, now what we have to return, we have to write return output, sorry, product minus output, right? Product minus output, that's all. So let us check whether it is successfully implemented on this given test case or not. Yup, see it is accepted. Now let me just press the submit and let us check whether it is successfully applying all the test cases or not. This status is success. Okay, so just little bit modification of our previous code. Okay, this is quite interesting problem, although fundamental, but this type of problems will help you to solve harder problems. Okay, sum of subtract the product and sum of digits of an integer. So you should know the algorithm to extract the digits of an integer. Okay, this is very important, widely used in lots of programming. Okay, same code I am going to post in the comment section. If you want, you can check there, and don't forget to check my previous video, that is this one, sum of digits of a number. This link also I am going to post in the description box. Check this, how you can extract digits from a number, you will get an idea. Okay, thank you for watching.